Hi team, I'm so excited to start this coach training with you. There are a few things that I want you to prepare in order to be really successful in this training. So each day I'd like you to make sure that you do check this group and you watch the videos or read the posts and make sure you comment and do the assignments that are attached with it. I recommend that you get a notebook for your business. You might end up with a few or maybe keep it electronically, but I'm kind of a paper pen type of girl, but I do keep a few things electronically. But a notebook really helps to organize yourself, and if you need to make lists or if you need to write down information, I suggest even a 3 to 5 subject notebook. You can divide up the sections into trainings, personal development, lists or business essentials, and even like a section for ideas and notes. Another thing that will create success for you in this training is to set aside time during your day to work your business, which includes checking this group. So I suggest about 15 to 20 minutes to check this group and to do all the assignments and watch the videos and things like that. And the rest of the hour or 45 minutes that you set aside, use that to create invites or follow up with people, maybe even personal development. So what is your power hour going to be every single day? You can divide this up into 30 minutes and 30 minutes or 20 minutes here and there, but you definitely need to set aside a time where you're working your business, because what happens is that you end up working your business all day long. And I'm not talking about, answering texts or answering Facebook messages or emails or things like that. But you don't want to be stuck to your computer, stuck to your phone. You want to set aside a certain amount of time to sit down and focus on your business, where everything else is kind of shut off. Your kids or your husband or your wife or your partner or your roommate or your family, whatever, they know that that time is set aside for you to work your business, and that's it. And that sense of focus will eliminate the distractions from trying to work your business all day long. So please comment with what time you're going to set aside daily to work your business, and within that time will be your 15 to 20 minutes to check this group and do your assignments.